Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on LG Q70 device. Now I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner, and I will make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my finger, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. So just let's lock the device. Okay, 1, 2, 3. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here correct. I just, with the simple touch to the fingerprint scanner, I just unlock the device. I'm not pressing it, I just simply touch it. As you can see, that's worked correct and successfully, and I just unlock the device. This is the fingerprint unlock method. That's how it works. You just can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.